Have you ever wondered which are the world's tallest towers? We're about to embark on a journey of architectural grandeur, exploring the top 10 tallest towers that punctuate our global skyline. These towering marvels are not just about height. They symbolize human ingenuity, technological advancements, and our ceaseless drive to reach for the skies. They're the crowning jewels of modern architecture, standing tall and proud across continents. So without further ado, let's dive into the list of the world's tallest towers, starting from the 10th. Standing tall at number 10 is the International Commerce Center in Hong Kong. This architectural marvel stretches 484 meters into the sky, its construction spanning almost a decade from 2002 to 2010. The center is a multi-purpose giant, housing commercial offices, a luxury hotel, and an observatory that offers breathtaking views. Its prominence and stature echo the dynamism of Hong Kong's bustling economy and the impressive skyline it contributes to. The International Commerce Center, a symbol of Hong Kong's vibrant economy and impressive skyline. At number 9, we have the Shanghai World Financial Center in China. Rising to an impressive 492 meters, this architectural titan took a span of over a decade, from 1997 to 2008, to construct. Today, it stands as a multifunctional skyscraper, housing offices, hotels, and conference rooms. Its observation decks offer breathtaking views of the city skyline, drawing in countless visitors each year. The Shanghai World Financial Center, an architectural marvel and a testament to China's economic prowess. Coming in at number 8 is Taipei 101 in Taiwan. An architectural marvel, Taipei 101 soars to a staggering 509 meters. This magnificent tower, constructed between the years 1999 and 2004, is an epitome of modern design and technology. Taipei 101 is a multifunctional giant, housing state-of-the-art offices, a sky-high observatory offering panoramic views, and a bustling shopping mall. It's not just a tower, but a city within a city. Taipei 101, a beacon of modern design and technology. Now let's move on to the top 7 tallest towers in the world. Starting our countdown at number 7, we have the Abraj Al Bayt Clock Tower in Mecca. Standing at a majestic 601 meters, this tower is not just a marvel of engineering, but also a significant religious landmark. Constructed over 8 years from 2004 to 2012, it serves as a beacon for millions of Muslims worldwide. Moving on to number 6, we find ourselves in the heart of New York City at the One World Trade Center. Rising to a symbolic height of 1,776 feet, it's a testament to resilience and hope. Completed in 2014, this tower is not only an office building but also a monument remembering those who lost their lives on September 11, 2001. At number 5, we make our way to Seoul, home to the Lotte World Tower. This architectural masterpiece reaches 554 meters into the sky and was officially opened in 2017. It's a multi-use building that includes retail outlets, offices, a luxury hotel, and even an observatory that offers breathtaking views of the city. Next, let's jet over to Shenzhen, where we find the Ping An Finance Center. Towering at an impressive 599 meters, it held the title of the 4th tallest building in the world since its completion in 2017. This super tall skyscraper primarily serves as an office building. Our 3rd tallest tower takes us to the bustling city of Guangzhou, where the CTF Finance Center stands tall at 530 meters. Finished in 2016, this mixed-use skyscraper includes a mall, offices, apartments, and a hotel. Just a short trip away, we find our runner-up in Shanghai. The Shanghai Tower spirals up to an incredible 632 meters. Completed in 2015, it's a mixed-use tower that twists an astonishing 120 degrees from bottom to top. And finally, the moment we've all been waiting for. The tallest tower in the world, the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. This eye-catching structure pierces the sky at an awe-inspiring 828 meters. Since its completion in 2010, it has stood as a symbol of Dubai's ambition and growth. And there you have it, the world's tallest towers, architectural wonders that reach for the sky and redefine cityscapes around the world. So, there you have it, the top 10 tallest towers that have redefined the world's skyline. Each of these towers, from the International Commerce Center in Hong Kong to the Taipei 101 in Taiwan, has made an indelible mark in the world of architecture. They have not only reached new heights but also transformed city landscapes globally. These architectural marvels serve as a testament to human ingenuity and innovation. Remember, the sky's the limit when it comes to architecture. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more interesting facts about the world's most impressive structures.